This is one of the new pairs I've been pairing up. Red model hen with a spread ash cockbird. My recessive red cockbird with I have no idea what you'd call her, but anyway. She's really weird. I've never had that kind of stuff come out of a homer before. It's weird. Very interesting pattern what she has. I just got her mated to him just to see what they'd throw. Should be interesting. It's kind of hard to film with one hand because I did dislocate the other arm, so it's been hard for these last 3 days. If you're wondering how I did it, I was reaching for one of my birds and my right arm popped forward a little bit and I noticed it was dislocated, so I had to get rushed to the hospital.